Hi there, guys and gals. Good evening to each every one of you. I just finished watching this worst movie. Another worst movie that I have experienced on watching for this year. Gosh, some kind of disappointing. Ah! Hold on, guys. I'll just take a pee. There are some part of the scenes that I felt asleep because of the boring scenes. Oh gosh. I've wasted 300 pesos. I had this feeling, guys and girls, before I watch that, my mind tells me don't watch that movie because it's a worst movie. Gosh, sorry. Hold on. I'll just take a gargle. See that. I thought I'm gonna enjoy this movie because based on the trailer that I've seen, it's some kind of very inviting. First, it's Channing Tatum. Oh gosh, and I also felt disappointed because he didn't show his, you know. Oh gosh, how I wish I make some refund for this movie. Okay guys, there are some killing scenes in here, but I thought I'm gonna enjoy it, but it's not. They didn't make the conviction in every scenes. I just love watching this kind of movie that there are some kind of killings, massacres, blood spattering, but gosh, hold on. Oh gosh, why is it like this? The story is some kind of what you expect for this movie, some kind of horrible. You know what, I'm some kind of speechless, but good thing, guys and girls, that this could be the last day for this movie and no one will gonna watch it. We only 3 moviegoers inside of the movie house. I couldn't express, guys and girls, but the storytelling is some kind of being grumbled. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh gosh, you cannot. It's just like that you are jumping into every scenes. What they've done is they make this kind of, hold on, another term for rambling, the sequencing of the story. Oh gosh, how I wish I just watched The Color Purple, or what's that, Harold and the Purple Call or something, or instead I've watched It Ends Something. What's that? Hold on, I'll just wait. Woo! Some kind of Harold and the Purple Crayon, or instead I've watched And So It Begins. I know I don't like and so it because how I wish I've watched. What's this one? The other one? It Ends With Us. It ends. Yeah, that's one. It Ends With Us. Hold on, guys. Check this out. Just James oh gosh, it's James Speak No Way Evil. Anyway, charge to experience on watching this movie. Next time, I'm gonna be more careful on deciding to watch a movie. I will not depend on just a trailer. I think I'm gonna depend for the flow of the moviegoers. If there are more patrons on watching this film or in any film to be played in every cinemas that I'm gonna watch. You know what? There's a Christian Slater and Gina Davis. So how come they didn't fix the script? They didn't make a good script. They didn't. I think they don't have a brainstorming. That's why. Anyway, that's life. So shout out to every one of you. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpass. Shout out to my family, people headed by my mother, Fabarok, si Darba, Betchan, and Kia. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to every one of you, and to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. And to all my first, did I say that? First viewers. Oh my god, first viewers, okay, anyway. And to all my lovely countries, hello to each every one of you. And gosh, that's right. I can figure it out why it was happened, and some kind of terrible. Anyway, bye for now. You know what, Channing Tatum, I'm so disappointed to all of you. You didn't give me the satisfaction that I'm expecting. So bye for now, guys and gals, and bye. I don't want to see you again, Channing Tatum. You are only better on just like what you did on Magic Mike. You didn't show your body, your butt, and your hot dog. Just kidding, guys and gals. Bye.